Have you ever wondered if something you usually throw away could actually help your cucumber plants? Today I'll show you a simple homemade plant tonic using eggshells, vinegar, and wood ash that's especially useful during the flowering stage. Start with the completely dried shells of 4 eggs. Grind them into a fine powder using a blender. Eggshells are made mostly of calcium carbonate, which is a natural source of calcium, an important nutrient that supports healthy plant growth and fruit development. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and stir well. You'll notice bubbles forming as the vinegar reacts with the eggshells. Let the mixture sit for 2 to 3 hours to help release more of the calcium. After soaking, pour the mixture into a jug and add 1 liter of clean water. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of clean wood ash, which provides potassium, a nutrient that supports flowering and fruit production. Before applying, lightly loosen the soil around the base of the plant and moisten it with a little clean water. Pour about 200 milliliters of the solution around the root zone, avoiding the leaves. Use this homemade tonic once every 2 to 3 weeks during flowering and early fruiting to provide calcium and potassium as part of a balanced plant care routine. If you enjoy this gardening tip, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple homemade plant care ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.